Problem is to write a Python program to sort a dictionary by value. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain, and in this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to sort a values inside a dictionary. So guys, we know what a dictionary is. Now what we need to do, we need to sort the values over here. Based on values, we need to sort the whole dictionary. Now let's understand it. What I'm trying to say is, suppose if we have a dictionary which has key value and key value. And if we want to sort the whole dictionary based on the values, for example, there are 3 students who have 3 different marks. And the keys over here are the name of the students, and the values over here are the numbers, that means marks of the student. Now I don't want to sort them on the base of their names, but I want to sort them on the basis of their marks. So how we will be doing that? We will be learning that in this video. There are 2 methods by which we will be doing that. First method is going to be with the help of the anonymous function, and second method would be by using our dictionary functions. So let's have a look on how it can be done. So our first solution over 1 here is sort the dictionary based on their values. So for that, I'll be first creating a dictionary. So I'll be creating dict is equals to, and here I'll be passing, as I said, I'll be taking the example of 3 students who have 3 different marks. So I'm taking first example as Peter. So I'll be writing Peter here, who has got, let's say, 98 marks. After this, our second student would be, let's say, Lisa, who has scored 90 marks. And lastly, our third student over here would be David, who had scored 87 marks. Okay, and if I print it right now, let's have a look on how it looks like. So I'll be writing print dictionary and let's run it. So as soon as we run it, we'll get the output that we have Peter, who has 98 marks, Lisa, who has 90 marks, and David, who has 87 marks. Now what we need to do over here is we need to sort this on the basis of their values over here. That means according to values, David should come first in the ascending order. Sorting means we have to arrange them in the ascending order. Okay. So if we want to sort the dictionary items over here, for that we will be simply writing print, or we can create another variable over here, that is, let's say SV. SV is equals to, and I'll be writing sorted. Inside the sorted, I'll be writing dictionary and dictionary dot items, open close the parentheses. Let's see right now what we are getting output over here. So right now we are not getting any output because I haven't printed it yet. So let's print the SV as well. Now as soon as I run it, I'll get the output which looks like this, that we have David, Lisa and Peter, which has been arranged in the ascending order. So we have David, Lisa and Peter. But we do not want to arrange them in the ascending order based on the keys. We want to arrange them in the ascending order based on their values. For that, what I'll be doing, I'll be defining a function over here that I'll be creating key. Now, what should be the key over here? For that, I'll be writing key is equals to. I'll be taking a function. That means I'll be taking an anonymous function. What is anonymous function? Anonymous function is a temporary function. That means for that, you don't have to create a new function itself. You can just, that means it's a one-liner function over here. So I need lambda x, where what will be the value of x? X will be the number 1 index. Okay, so in the square bracket, I'll pass 1. Now, what is x1 over here? So you can write now what you can see. Now, what is number 1 index over here? Now, you guys must be thinking that in the dictionaries, we do not have indexes, but we do have inside the pair. So we have key value pair, we have key value pair, and we have key value pair. So key is on index number 0. And value is on index number 1 here. So what we'll be doing, we will be sorting them on the basis of values, and as values are on number 1, that's why I'll be passing number 1 here. As soon as I run it now, the values will change in this way, that firstly we'll have David, who has 87 marks, Lisa, who has 90 marks, and then we will have Peter, who has 98 marks. Even if I change the data, for example, if I change this to, or let's say if I change this to John, and now if I run it, still I will get the same output over here. That means it has been sorted on the basis of the values. That means we have 87, 90 and 98. If I talk about the keys over here, first D should come, then J and then L, right? But we are sorting it on the basis of keys over here. So that's why we are getting 87, 90 and 98 in this order. So I hope you guys have no doubts in the questions that how we have sorted this dictionary based on their values. Now let's talk about our another solution. There is second solution by which we can sort only the values. So our solution number 2 is sort only the values. For that, I'll just copy this data and paste it over here. And I'll just put this thing inside the comment. Now, what do we need to sort? We need to sort only values. That means we need to only obtain the values. For that, in the dictionary, we have a very simple, very easy function that we can simply write print sorted dictionary dot values, open close the parentheses. Now, as soon as I run it, the output would be 87, 90 and 98. So we have received the values, they have been sorted as well, and there are only values over here. So there are two methods that we have seen, where first one is that we can sort the whole dictionary based on values, or second method is we can only sort the values here. So I hope you guys have no doubts in the questions, and for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.